Quick question. When was the last time your hearing aids were actually professionally cleaned? Not wiped, not brushed, professionally cleaned. Hearing aids sit inside warm, moist ear canals all day. That means sweat, humidity, earwax, skin cells, and oils are constantly getting put into the microphones and speakers. And when that happens, your hearing aids don't fail. They just slowly get quieter, duller, and less clear. So people think their hearing got worse when really their hearing aids are just dirty. At our office, a clean and check is not a quick wipe down. We use a Redux system to dehumidify your hearing aids. It literally pulls moisture out of the internal electronics. Then we use a medical grade vacuum to clear debris from the microphones and the speakers, the two parts that control how clearly you hear. And we replace the small but critical parts, things like wax straps, domes, and microphone covers, because once those clog, sound quality drops fast. 4 months is the sweet spot. Long enough to wear them, short enough to prevent buildup from wrecking your sound. Skip clean and checks, and you don't just lose clarity, you increase the risk of breakdowns, repairs, and hearing aids that stop performing like they should. Remember, your hearing aids are only as good as how they are well maintained. If you want to hear at your very best, clean and checks are not optional, they are essential. Book your appointment today and your ears will thank you.